Happy Halloween, everyone! It's James. It is October 31st, 2022. It is about 2:30 p.m. and I'm getting ready for my Japanese trick-or-treaters. I'm going to show you my setup. You'll look at my treats and my background setup. I'll get to the front in a moment. This is my brand new fog machine. It's an LED 700. It has 8 different LED lights. Take a look at the front. I just bought it from Amazon Japan. And it also has a strobe light. And that is my Radio Shack strobe light. I've had it for years. And back there I have fog solution. I have an audio system for Halloween music. And let me just play this tune for a few seconds. Okay, so that's it, because it's copyrighted. I have tons of Halloween music, coupled with the fog machine and strobe light. It's going to be really scary. Of course, I'm going to turn off the lights. I've got mini donuts, Country Mama chocolate, chip cookies, caramel, candy, chocolate, lollipops, a fake knife, okay, chips, Black Thunder. I got that from Daiso. Some gum, and other little treats. You buy these big bags for about 300 yen at Daiso. That is a 100 yen shop. Lots of chocolate, lemonade, candy. Yep, and this is mainly for my students because I've been teaching Halloween since the end of September. So this is for them to understand the culture. Unfortunately, my neighborhood does not celebrate Halloween. Maybe at selected houses, I don't know, but I've invited my students to come to my place, my school, and they're allowed to bring a friend or two. Of course, they have to social distance. I hope. Okay, this is my front setup. There is the clown. The eyes light up. It's battery controlled, and there's a skull. If I turn this on, shall I turn it on for you guys? Yeah, I will. So, if I didn't have the clown mask on, you would be able to see the skull. It lights up, but it's sort of dim. So I'll have that on. Oops. I'm going to switch on the eyes for the clown mask. Look at that. That's going to be very scary. I've got fake spider web here and a bat. And some more spider web. I bought 2 sheets of black cloth from a fabric shop years ago here in Japan. That is a werewolf costume. I bought that in Canada. And that Freddy Krueger mask. I'm only using the mask. And there is the legendary Michael Myers right in the corner. A skeleton and the Scream masks. And that's about it. It's going to be dark and foggy, and I'm not going to turn on the fog because it's just going to take time to dissipate. So this is my Halloween setup. As I mentioned, I've been teaching Halloween for the whole month, so I want my students to practice saying trick or treat. But you know, they'll probably end up saying trick or treat, and I'm not going to correct them because there might be a lineup. Anyway, my students should be able to handle trick or treat. Thank you. You're welcome. Give them a good scare, and then they'll go home, or they'll take some pictures, or they might want to take a picture of me. And what am I dressing as? Okay, I'll show it to you. Are you ready for this? Ta-da! Pinhead from Hellraiser. Okay, if you don't know what Hellraiser is, Google it. That's an American movie franchise. It's pretty scary looking. It's going to be hot, and I'm going to wear a black cloak. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and happy Halloween. Bye.